Ningsing Ba Amadi Ekai Kumnaba Utpawena Khongjom War Memorial Mafam Asida Tilare. First, I would like to extend my warm greetings to the Honorable Chief Minister, Shri Yumnam Khimchandji, Deputy Chief Minister, Ministers, MLAs led by Mr. Projen Singh, the local Wanjing MLA, who has taken attendance of all the MLAs also. So I need not address all of you. He has addressed on our behalf. Chief Secretary, DGP, senior officers of Government of Manipur, Deputy Commissioner and Superintendent of Police of Thobal, esteemed dignitaries, friends from media, and Nungsirpa Manipuri Praja Singh. Today we commemorate this historic day of Manipur Khongjam Day, a day that remains etched forever in the heart of every Manipuri. Nangsi April gi Tariq kun Humdoi gi Numit Asi 1891 gi Anglo-Manipuri War the Thawai na Pontha Oi Khiba Manipur gi Mathona Lai Raba Macha Singh Adubu Ekai Khum Naba Utpagi Numitni. The brave soldiers of Manipur fought for independence against the British Empire relentlessly. Despite the inevitable and predictable defeat, the Battle of Kongjam remains imprinted in Manipur's history. The Battle of Kongjam was not just a battle of arms but a battle of honor, patriotism and determination. Our forefathers stood strong to defend Manipur's sovereignty even against the powerful British. The indomitable spirit of the people of Manipur remains a unique history of patriotism in the world. Kongjam Day is a tribute to our brave forefathers who stood valiantly during the Anglo-Manipur War, particularly the fierce battle fought at Khongjom in April 1891. It was here the sons of Manipur, though vastly outnumbered and out-equipped, chose honor over surrender and courage over compromise. They stood firm, defending their sovereignty and with unmatched bravery against the invading British Empire. Despite the inevitable and predictable defeat, the brave warriors of Manipur fought back relentlessly against the British Empire for her independence, making a symbol of courage, sacrifice, and unwavering love for the motherland. We bow our heads today in tribute to heroes like Pauna Brajbashi and countless other known and unknown warriors who made the ultimate sacrifice. Their stories are not merely tales of the past, they are enduring lessons for generations to come. Kongjam Day is not only a day of remembrance, it's a day of reflection. It reminds us of moral strength, of unity, the power of self-respect, and the importance of standing firm in the face of adversity. As Nathan Hale, a great American revolutionary officer, said, "I only regret that I have but one life to lose for my country." Our forefathers did not fight merely for land. They fought for identity, dignity, and the right to determine their own destiny. Their sacrifice teaches us that freedom and peace are never to be taken for granted, as they must be protected, nurtured, and upheld with responsibility. So, in today's rapidly changing world, the spirit of Khongjom must guide us. While the challenges we face may be different, the values remain timeless: integrity in public life, harmony among communities, respect for rule of law, and commitment to welfare of all citizens. These are the true ways in which we honor the legacy of our ancestors. Let's also remember that true patriotism lies not only in words but in actions. It lies in building a society that is just, inclusive, and forward-looking. It lies in empowering our youth with knowledge, preserving our rich cultural heritage, and working collectively towards peace and development in Manipur. We must also emphasize the importance of unity and harmony. Our society is diverse, yet our strength lies in our ability to stand together. We must work together as Manipuris, embracing our differences while celebrating our shared heritage to build a state that is inclusive and united in purpose. On this sacred day, Aina Nagarik Kudingi Mafamda Tamjari Madudi Khongjom Lan Gi Ethil Asidagi Tamja Duna Aikhoigi Erei Bak Eramdam Asibu Thamoi Singna Ningduna Sebat Taurasi Hena Vasak the Asi. Let's work together to build a Manipur that reflects the courage of its past and the promise of its future. May the sacrifices of our forefathers continue to inspire us, guide us, and strengthen our resolve. Thank you very much. Thagachari, Jai Hind, Jai Manipur.